Good night, good evening, good morning, good day. It's your girl Murky. It's really late. Well, it's late for me. It's almost pushing midnight, and Nevaeh wanted a sausage. She was hungry, so I figured, why don't I just do a quick video since I'm up anyways, and I show you guys how I prepare the sausage. I use peppers and onions. It's really quick for those late night hunger pangs, so stay tuned. So if you get your sausage out and your sausage is washed off, I got a little piece of bell pepper because, like I said, this is just something like late night. And then you know how to cut the onion by the ridges. I don't know if you can see it, but the little ridges, you just cut along the ridges as close as you can. If not, it's okay. You don't need that big of a piece of an onion. Well, this is only enough for two sausages. The onions, they will shrink up. Cut the bell pepper as well. There's no perfect way to do this. This is done. Take these real quick, put it in a little bowl. Okay, some extra virgin olive oil. We'll take that and we'll put about 2 caps, 1, 2 on it like that. A teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic, about a teaspoon. This is a small plastic spoon. Give that a little mix. I have the sausage right here. Like I said, it's just 2 sausages. And I'm just gonna put the sausage in. Okay, and we're gonna let that cook and let it swirl up. Okay, now that the water has boiled almost completely out, as you can see, the sausages, they are not as frail as they were before. They're much more plump. You see them plump up and you see the water pretty much evaporated out. You want to place the sausage back into the container. Temperature on the number before medium, if there's a number. Mine is medium. I'm sorry, mine is number 4. And then I'm going to take aromatics and throw it in there and let it do its work. The sausages itself is already seasoned and it has salt in it. It has all the flavorings it needs. Peppers and onions are ready. When the onions appear transparent, like right now they're still opaque. You don't want to just let it sit too long. I mean, you let it sit, but you don't want to let it sit in like one spot too long. You don't want to walk away from this. You want to babysit it. Onions, they are becoming transparent. As you can see, they're not as opaque as they were. Now that we got our peppers, onions, and garlic sauteed, we're going to put that in the bowl and reserve that for a little later. Now we're going to add the sausage. Using the tongs with one hand, you're going to hold the sausage. Okay? And you're going to just cut halfway down the middle. Spread it open and flip it over. Quite tasty when it gets charred. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Very juicy looking. See all those juices. The goal to this is get it nice and brown. Okay, so once you've taken your sausage and put it on an eye, you wait for it to simmer down. It will stop. Then what you're going to do is take the sausage, move it. These sausages are done. They look really good for our sausage sandwiches. We always buy our Artesano bakery bed, the sausage rolls. They are really good, nice and soft. So open along the crease. Now this is very hot. You can do this one or two ways. I'm just transferring it over. You want to do this with a fork, but I'm just going to do it with my hands for demonstration purposes. But you always want to use the utmost caution when dealing with hot food or food straight out of the frying pan, or for any pan for that matter. Dump some on there like that, like so. Just put that on there. Dress it up simply, just with some ketchup. And then we have here some sweet and spicy mustard. This stuff is really good, guys. Voila! You have a sausage sandwich. You have a nice sausage sandwich. Nice and juicy, well topped, and ready to be eaten. Hey, Vea.
Hi,
hey, girl.
guys. Hey.
You got your sausage. You're gonna eat your sausage. It's late. It's like 12:08. You lucky it's the weekend. So you like it?
Yeah.
Is it good and juicy? Yeah.
Subscribe to the Spencer channel.
Okay, y'all. So there you have it. She turned off the light. There you go, y'all. You have it. It's a late night sausage sandwich. About to eat mine, and then I'm going to bed. Past time. It's your girl Marky. Another cooking tutorial. Very simple, very delicious. See you in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Peace.